just for 10 seconds of work you get $5 again and again. This has been a method that people have been using out there to make money online and keeping it secret to themselves. So I decided to show my subscriber this simple method to earn money online for only 10 seconds of work. This money you can cash out when you get $5. At the rate of $5, you can start cashing out, and you can cash out with any type of payment method you have. It might be PayPal, Paytm, or direct banking. So this is what I'm going to be showing you into today's video. But before I show you that, please make sure you give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. Turn on notification bell button so each time when I create new videos like these, you will get notified. And also subscribe to my second channel if you want to learn other ways to create a sustainable online business. So do that and I will really appreciate that. So without being said, let's move on into today's video. The website I want to show you is called 5squid.com. So don't just go ahead now and start checking out this website, because you might not know what you need to use in combination to earn money on this 5squid website. This is a marketplace that people come to buy service. So we are not going to buy any service, don't worry. But if you wait to the end of this video, I'm also going to give you an extra bonus to even make more money with this website and other market platforms. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So don't skip any part so you can understand what we are doing in this video to earn money every 10 seconds, okay, of work. So what we want to do now is that we can just go up here to the menu, but before you start using this platform, you need to join. You can see the join button here, and just click on the join button and you can sign up and start using this website. But before that, what I want to show you is that we want to go to the menu. So once you go to menu, you click on this box here and you can see this is a platform for different type of freelancer. So we have different type of freelancer service categories here. But what I want to show you is that when you go down here, you will find this order. At the order section, we want to go to your message on. So we want to click on your message on. As you can see, there are different type of service here. It doesn't matter where you come from, you can join this platform creating service for other people out there for at least $5. As you can see, this person come from Pakistan. There's another guy here from Brazil, and there's another person here from United States. There's another one here from Sri Lanka. There's this gentleman here also from Nigeria, and this other person come from India. It doesn't matter where you're living, you can use this platform to earn money with this method I'm showing you into today's tutorial. So what we want to do is that, let me just show you. As you can see, this person here just write a short message on a car, okay, with snow. The freelancer service is that I will write your text on a snow covered car, and you can imagine this person get already 37 review. To my experience, when this person get 37 review, this person now sells this gig more than 40 times. Let's say average of 3 people forget to leave their reviews for what they bought. Now if you go more down, there are different type of service like that. This person here want to make a logo on a coffee, and there are different type of service here. So what I want to show you is a very simple service that people are not even talking about, that you can also list on this platform, on an other platform like that, to earn money online. So let me just show you the second website that we are going to use to create things like that. But before we go there, as you can see, this person wrote, "I will hold your sign." Okay, what type of sign you want? You can just have, when you buy this service from this person is going to put your sign on this paper here, okay, that this woman is holding. So this type of service that you can get here. They are very cool service if you know how to do it, which I'm going to be showing you soon in the next minute. If you know how to do it, it doesn't take you more than 10 seconds to create this and send it to your customer, to the buyer. There's another one here. I will place your photo or logo on this 20 billboard design. Okay, I'm going to show you also how to do something like this, so you can start creating a gigs on 5 squid and start selling them for £5. They wrote £5 here, you can at least sell it for £5 or $5. Let me just go ahead and show you the next platform that we're going to use to create something like that. So the name of this platform is called Autopilot.com. So this is already Autopilot.com. What you can see here is that you can see a picture of Einstein writing on a blackboard. So you can do something like this. You can place your test here. You can place your test in this area and also down here in this area, guys. So to do that is very easy. Let me just show you. Let's go. To do that, you just want to go up here, okay? And as you can see, you can write on the dynamic Einstein picture. There are other things you can also do on this website, but for example, if you want, assuming you have an order from the customers that want you to place their test on this blackboard here, you just have to come here and write the test. Like for example, in this video I'm going to write subscribe to my channel. That is one. And the second one, if I want to include more text, you can just go to this place here and write, please like this video, thanks. So, and after doing that, you just need to click on change image, and as you can see, it's already written here. So it will be placed there what you've written on these boxes. It's going to be placed on the blackboard. As you can see, please like this video, thanks, subscribe to my channel. This is what I wrote here, and it's going to be placed, it's going to be written here after clicking on change. So now after doing this, you can just go and download it, or the easy way to do it is that you can also screenshot this now and save it to your computer, and after that one you can use it for your listing, because you need to list a gigs that is going to look like this one here, guys. So you can use it for your gigs, so when somebody say it, they can know what type of service you're offering and they can purchase that from you. Let me show you another one that we can do here. Apart from Einstein, you can also do Uncle Sam. So this is Uncle Sam. Let me just click on it to make you see. So this is Uncle Sam. I want you to tell your friends about this. So something like this. All you just need to do is to come to this box up here and write something like subscribe to my channel. And after doing that, you can just click on change image, and you're going to say, it's going to write here, I want you, okay, I want you to subscribe to my channel. You can just put to, because I forgot to do that. As you can see, it's already written here, I want you to subscribe to my channel. So it's very easy as that. And after doing this, all you just need to do is to screenshot this, okay, and you can send it to your customers. This only costs maybe even 2 seconds to do, and after that one you can send it to your buyer, okay, and you get paid for that. All right, guys. And you can also do a quack and also list something like this. All you just need to do, you can write the message here. It's the same thing as the first one and the second one. You just need to paste the message here. After doing that, you can then click on this change image. These words are going to change, so your message will appear in this place here, guys. So let me now show you the bonus platform that we can use also for this type of freelancer business. You can go to Fiverr. As you can see, what I showed you at first, this is other people doing it already on Fiverr. As you can see, this gigs here is for $5, and this person already got 9 reviews. This 9 review means that more than 9 people already bought this service from this person. So that means that this person already sold this service for more than 9 times. So there are many people doing this on Fiverr. So there is this other platform that I want to show you to make something like this, okay? It's kind of alternative platform for Autopilot.com. So the name of this platform is called adletters.com. So this is already adletters.com. You can make something like Bart Simpson clipboard generators, okay, like this one here, guys. All you just need to do is to go down to this box here and write something like, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. After doing that, you can just click on generate image. As you can see now, and turn on notification is included. All right, guys. So you can easily go to either Fiverr or you go to 5squid.com and list something like this for $5 at least. You can even list it for $10, depending on what amount you would like to list it, but at least $5, and people are going to buy this from you. I mean, people are going to order your service, and when they order your service, you just need to come to adlaters.com after they order this from you to create their order, and then after you can screenshot this and send it to them, or you can even download it direct to your computer. As you can see, this is the button here. If you want to download it direct to your computer, just click on this button here, or you can also do it with automail.com. So what I will advise you to start listing such gigs on platforms like 5squared.com or fiverr.com. These are freelancer marketplace that you can list your service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you do enjoy this video, and if so, please make sure you give this video a like. I will really appreciate that. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, turn on notification bell button so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, and I will see you some other time in my next video. Peace.